Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing pre-sale which is known as WeWake Finance. So before starting the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research as well. So here we are on the website WeWake Crypto Pre-sale Plug and Play Layer 2 Blockchain. WeWake is not just a new project, but it's a next generation Layer 2 blockchain designed for instant crypto transactions without wallets, gas fees or complex onboarding. Here you can check out the current stage of the pre-sale is stage 6 and the listing will be done on $0.15 and current price is 0.0175. The ROI is 857%. You can check out the in next stage the price will increase in $0.019. The amount raised is shown here. Down here you can check out they are powered by Uniswap, Open Ocean, Kami, Chainlink, Google, Stripe, MoonPay, Wallet Connect, Zcash, Polygon, Optimism, Web3 Auth as well as Biconomy.com. Down here you can check out what is WeWake and why it's built for mass adoption. So introducing a groundbreaking solution for fast, seamless and innovative Web3 adoption for anyone. The onboarding process is often complicated by gas fees and complex wallet integrations, so they are solving this issue as well. Down here you can check out they have 5 billion internet users, 700 billion plus crypto curious people and 40 billion plus in layer 2 TVL. UX first L2 is equal to mass adoption. Down here you can check out WeWake solutions. They are providing no wallet experience, social login, zero gas fees as well as instant access to NFTs, tokens as well as swaps. Some of the problems of Web3 which are they solving. So let's check out some other features which includes that roll-up scalability, smart wallets compatible with ERC-4337 Auth plus Telegram Auth SDK and white label support, Web3 Auth plus MPC and much more. So if we check down, you can check out some of the utilities which includes gas sponsorship via staking, cashback and rewards, swap fee discount, DAO voting, access to SDK as well as DeFi collateral. The use cases includes instant crypto swaps with zero gas, NFT drop without wallets, e-commerce crypto payments and much more. So you can check out them as well. So the product is looking really good. You can check out the ROI is amazing. Also they have an amazing roadmap. You can check out currently Q2 of 25 is going on. They have done 2 of the goals, so the others are working as well. Down here you can check out a frequently asked questions. They had already answered all of the questions that are coming in your mind, so make sure you check them out as well. If you have any question coming in your mind, make sure to come to frequently asked questions that they had already answered them. Make sure to join them on Telegram, Twitter, X, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook and other social media handles to keep updated about the project. So guys, if you like the project, make sure you participate into the pre-sale after doing some on research as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.